That is Paradise Heights right now in Morvant, and as we speak it's under heavy, and when we say heavy, enough police is up there. Something is going on. I don't know. We have the Muslim them up there, we have the Sikhs them up there, you understand? But something is going on right now in Paradise. This is a live video feed right there. I get live from down there. So if anybody know what's going on, please hit me up. If you're out there, be careful of that area. Paradise Heights. Right now it's filled with police and something is going on. So stay tuned and I'll keep you guys updated. Anybody know what's going on, Bill Countryman in. Peace, I'm out.